Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to create website content quickly and easily. Even if you're just starting, you can make pages, blogs, or product descriptions fast. First, sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to start your website content project. This is where you'll type your prompts. Next, decide what type of page you need, like a homepage, about page, product description, or blog post. Include details about your audience so Claude writes content that resonates. Then hit enter and Claude AI will generate your content. You can get full paragraphs, headings, meta descriptions, and even call to action suggestions all in one go. After generating the content, review and tweak it. Adjust the tone, style, or structure to match your brand. Claude AI makes it easy to iterate quickly and professionally. Finally, copy or export your content and add it to your website. You can also optimize it for SEO or update it regularly to keep your site fresh and engaging. And that's it. Using Claude AI for website content creation is really that simple. Define the page, generate, refine, and publish, then watch your site grow.